Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is Wednesday the 23rd, 2018, and I'm down in the growing area, and I'm planting some more seeds today. So, one of the things I'm actually going to be planting is, the eggplant little fingers. Now, I selected this variety for trying under my Shangsite LED grow light for growing my vegetables indoors. So this gets done in 65 days. So 65 days like from when you transplant this, which I'm using the Jiffy peat pellets, and then I'm going to be transplanting it into an extra large newspaper pot because I don't have any of the Jiffy biodegradable containers. So I'm going to be using a newspaper pot. And this Little Fingers eggplant, it's a long, slim, black fruit produced in clusters on compact plants. You harvest a finger-sized or larger, sweet, mild flavor. So, I have my little seed out here. Whoops. Right there's a little seed. And I've already fluffed the soil on this. This is one of the Jiffy tomato and vegetable pellets. So, I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description for this, as well as the light that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be putting my eggplant seed on top. I've already covered the hole in the peat pellet over. Putting my eggplant seed on top, and I'm just going to lightly cover it here. Go. And I'm going to be marking this one. Now I already have a pink tongue eggplant growing under that light over there, and I can show that to you then. So I'm hoping that to find a variety that I can grow indoors over the winter time to actually be able to harvest the eggplants off of and have the eggplant fruit from it. So far I've been able to harvest my lettuce, and I'm now expanding the project out even further. So I have my little lid here, and I'm going to label this, and I'm just going to sit this on top. Now this will keep the heat and the humidity in to help my little eggplant seed to germinate. And these need about, they say 75 to 95 degrees. You definitely want to keep it up in the high degrees for these to germinate. A lot of times what will happen with eggplant seeds is if they don't get warm enough, they won't germinate for you. So I already had my eggplant seeds in the refrigerator because I keep them in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag, and then I just take out what I need to plant and then I put them back in. It seems to help the seeds come up faster, and it also helps to make your seeds last longer for the shelf life. So we're going to take this over to the light over here, and I'll be right back to show you. Okay, so I'm back, and I put this under my light here. Now, I did germinate the little ping pong eggplant, which is right back there, under this light. And now I did have the light closer when I germinated that one, so I'm going to have to watch this one and see how it does, make sure it's getting warm enough. If it's not getting warm enough, I'll move it to one of my enclosed boxes with my other light just to get it to the temperature, and as soon as I see it germinating, I'll bring it back over here. But we'll see how that works, because it's going to take it a little bit to heat up. Now, if you see a lot of like excessive moisture on your containers, what you can actually do, and I do this, is you can open the container up, wipe the moisture off, and then reclose it. Another thing that I do is I do open the container every day just to get the fresh air in there. So, because that helps, so you don't get like your stagnant air in there, and it helps to get air into the seed so it can help to germinate. So as this continues to grow and comes up, I'll come back with more videos, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is my little pink tongue eggplant over here, and this is growing under the light. I germinated and started this one under there, and I did a video on it, but I'm expanding even more to see what all I can actually grow under this light to get harvest over the winter. for fresh vegetables. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. And you can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. And you can follow me on there for video updates and different things that are going to be coming up video-wise, gardening tips and all different kinds of things. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!